Minasan konnichiwa. Do you often get confused with prepositions of place? My name is Jen, and today we're going to be learning prepositions of place with Pikachu! Pikachu and prepositions. Here we go. The first preposition we're going to take a look at is on. In this clip, Pikachu is on the bookcase. On the bookcase. The next preposition we're going to take a look at is in. Pikachu is so cool, he is in the freezer. In. Now we can put these two prepositions together. Pikachu is in a pot. He is on the stove. Pikachu is in a pot on the stove. Here, Pikachu is on the table. In addition, Pikachu is inside. He's actually in the building, in my apartment. Pikachu is on the table inside, but my husband is outside. My husband is outside, Pikachu is inside. Next, you can see Pikachu is in the sink. He's in the sink. We could also say that he is in the bathroom, which is where this particular sink is. For any rooms, you will say in. Also, if you are inside any building, you will also use the preposition in. So Pikachu is in the sink, in the bathroom, at home. Okay, so right now I am at home. When you talk about where you live, there's a couple ways you can say this. You can say I am at home, or you can say I'm in my house. In my house or at home are the two ways that we can describe where you live. The next preposition I want to take a look at is below. Here you can see that Pikachu is below the light. The light is above Pikachu. Pikachu is below the light. Now we can see that Pikachu is above my husband's head. My husband's head is below Pikachu. Now, I'm going to show you a situation where two different prepositions could be used. So taking a look at this, we could say that Pikachu is with Donkey Kong and Totoro. Pikachu is with his friends. Or, if you look very carefully at the exact position of where Pikachu is, he is between Donkey Kong and Totoro. Between. Now, you can see that Pikachu is beside the candle. Now, watch as Pikachu jumps over the candle. He is going over the candle. Above and over are a little bit different. If something is just above something, it doesn't necessarily mean that it is moving. But the preposition over specifically means that it's going from one side to the other like this, right? So this motion, this action is over. Or if you are standing somewhere and there's an airplane flying in the sky above you like this, you can say the plane is going over your head. Here we can say two different things. We can say that Pikachu is on the floor, but we can also say that Pikachu is under the chair. We could also say he is below the chair, but in this situation, under is what most people would say. Under the chair. The next preposition I want to talk about is through. Okay, so through means to pass through something. So if I make a circle with my hand and my fingers go through that circle, okay? So here you can see Pikachu is going through my husband's legs. Through his legs. And now, here you can see Pikachu is going through a candle holder. Going through. Passing from one side to another is through. The next two prepositions are opposites. Here, Pikachu is in front of Kirby. In front of. And now, Pikachu is behind Kirby. Behind. The next preposition is across from. Across from. So when two things are facing each other, you can say they are across from each other. Here, Pikachu and Superman are sitting across from each other. Across from. And what country is Pikachu in right now? That's right. Pikachu is in Canada. In Canada. So whenever we're talking about a country or a city or a state, a province, a town, a place like that, we need to use the preposition in. So hopefully you enjoyed learning about prepositions of place with Pikachu. If you have any questions about these prepositions or about prepositions of place, please ask me in the comments below. And now it's time for question of the day. Today's question is, what is a special item that you have and where is that item right now? Let me know using prepositions in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Mina, benkyo ganbatte ne! Ja ne! Here's one more thing connected to prepositions for you. Please click on the subscribe button and click on the thumbs up button to give me a like. Thank you so much for your support of Jen's Jyugyou, and I'll see you in the next lesson.